Today, we are going to replace the cabin air filter for 2014 BMW 428i xDrive. First, the cabin air filter is located right above this kick panel on the passenger side, and this is held by two 10mm bolts. Just loosen these two bolts to remove the panel by pulling downward. It's easier if you don't unlatch the electric wire. Now you can see the curved plastic cabin air filter housing cover located above. You will need to remove two T20 Torx screws. After loosening the two screws, avoid pulling the housing cover forcefully, as it is connected to the water drain tube. Gently pull it down to reveal the old cabin air filter. Now, insert your new cabin air filter into the housing, and install remove parts by reversing the removal procedure, and it's done. That's it. Super easy.